I'd like to introduce myself. I'm
Edward Sampson.
producer and director of Devils on Horses. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to do an audio commentary of what we did and how we did it on the set, on the film, with a core crew of only 4 people making this movie. This scene here where Casey's writing the letter back home is shot in Ashburton. Here, a low angle shot, cheating, which is the key word here, to make the scene look bigger than it is. One of the things we did do in the colour grade is that we try not to make it too green. We wanted a contrast difference between the Sinai-Palestine back home in New Zealand. This is a nice, beautiful sunset shot that we had. We had about roughly an hour and a half of great light filming this. So basically here we've got Sophie with Barney, the dog. We put like a little net in the background just to cheat the shot. This shot here with Casey with the horse, again we've got a nice soft look there, a romantic look to bring back, hey, this is what happened. Another different location from the house. This is shot in Ashburton. We originally had extended scenes of her and Casey coming back home, but in the end we just reshot the whole scene again. So here we have Casey and Sophie, again romantic look to reflect the past. Nice wide angle shot using 18mm lens, sunset's coming down, shadow on his face, and in the colour grade we tweaked the eyes to make sure that it was really focused. This is Belvarakara. Basically all we had was 6 actors, and what we did was we ran actors through the whole scene again twice. And the reason we did that is to make the scene look bigger than what it is. Casey comes up, we did a pull focus on this. We had the girls right at the back, was there our extras. And then what we do here, we have the actors running by again, running past again, and it just looks bigger than it is. Again, for this simple shot here, I put the camera in there, had a shake on the camera. We had a tiny little smoke machine which were in there, and we did digital effect shots on the rounds firing out. I used Topaz Photo AI to help enhance the original archive material. So we're taking a file roughly around about 2 meg. Topaz has face recognition software which I use on the archive material. And afterwards I enhance the footage. I then digitally clean up every single shot.
All those issues have to be gripped by every person, by every family, in every war that has ever been fought. And of course, down here in New Zealand, we think the rules don't apply to us. Now that fascinates me.
So this is 6K open gate, and the reason I shot that, it gave me flexibility in post-production to re-rack the shots.